Hey beautiful souls, welcome to Witty Creativity. Cushions or throw pillows nowadays have become a style statement of any sitting area. In today's video, we are going to make these two easy 3D cushion covers. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As I am going to make a 16 by 16 cushion cover, so I have cut the fabric accordingly with 1 inch extra from all the sides. First you have to do the designing part and then get it stitched. Start by drawing your desired design with the help of pencil. Now using fabric colors, initially I'll do outline followed by some detailing and painting. Once done with the painting part, allow it to dry overnight and then iron it from the back side. This is an important step in fabric painting. Now to give it a 3D look, I am using this handmade fabric roses and leaves. I have a separate video tutorial on this. Link is in the description. Using thread and needle, I am going to stitch these roses and leaves above this painted basket. Do use an embroidery hook if you have for all this process. Now to give it a more pop-out 3D look, attach some tassels and this type of woolen bow or butterfly. These are very easy to make. I have made one more cover by painting some floral designs at the corners and it has come out really well. For our second DIY, we are going to patch this heart shape cutout which I have taken from a pink sari fabric. Put some mild glue at the edges of this heart so that it does not move. We are going to do chain stitching at the edges. You can also go for simple stitches. So here I am using this deep red wool for chain stitching so as to get a proper pop-out 3D look. I absolutely love this heart patch cushion cover. It's one of my favorite. Which one do you like the most? Do comment and tell. I really hope you like this video. Press that red subscribe button and also the bell icon for more such videos. That's all for today. See you very soon with a brand new video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.